I'm Daniel. I'm here with Marjolijn from Explore Tanzania. We're the partner here in Tanzania, and here is in our office. So you're welcome. Here in the office is where we organize all Kilimanjaro treks with the Explore Tanzania in order to make sure our clients enjoy.
Howdy, howdy.
Howdy, karibu.
Asante.
How are you?
Fine, how are you?
I'm very good.
And you are?
My name is Thomas.
Okay.
So we're partner here in Tanzania.
Yep.
We live in Moshi at the bottom of Kilimanjaro mountain, and we do all the climbs, trips and everything. Right now everything is open. We are receiving guests for climbing, and life is good here.
Well, let's see the office.
Okay.
Yeah, this is our office.
Perfect.
It's a small office, but very informative, and we're doing all the presentation to our clients once they want to see the office. And from here we go to the other places like in the hotels, and we pre-arrange everything from here. And if you want to go to downtown, it's very close from here, so we're in a good location. Yes.